Hi, I'm Mitch Miller, and I'm the bakery manager here at the Eden Prairie High School for the district. Today we're making some rye rolls that we're going to send out to the schools later in the week here. So I've already got water in my bowl, about 3 pounds worth. We're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil here. So this is like a starter dough. This is kind of what helps give it strength. It kind of helps make that dough turn into a better dough. Next, I'm going to add my flour, which is a mixture of flour, rye, and gluten. Because rye flour does not have a lot of gluten in it. Gluten is essential to making a dough turn out. If there's no gluten, it won't stretch. So then I have an old piece of dough that we used from yesterday, and we can put that in there as well too to help strengthen it. And then to top it off, we have our yeast. So we're gonna mix it here in first gear for about 1 minute. 1 minute will kind of help get all this flour, as you can see, kind of put together here. So next I'm gonna put it into higher gear to help get that dough together faster. We do a little test called, I call it the stretch test, but it's called the gluten window test. So you'll take a chunk of dough here, and you're just gonna kind of stretch it, just so you kind of see that nice little window of gluten there. See how you can kind of see it? This dough actually needs a little bit more time. We cut everything to make our nutritional daily values met. So with these rolls, we're gonna cut them to about 3 pounds, 8 ounces here. Now what we're doing is now we're gonna take this dough and we're gonna stretch it out here on this rounding plate here. So you gotta work it a little bit. So then we have a machine here at the school, what we call the Rondo machine. So what it's gonna do now is it's gonna lock all this dough inside this metal ring here. And we're gonna squish it out as far as it'll go. So then I put this lever, and these little dividers here are gonna go down, and it's gonna split that dough into 36 equal pieces here. And this lever takes it and turns them all. Typically on an average day, we will make close to about 1,000 buns a day. Sometimes they're more, sometimes a little less, just depending on the weeks.